praises to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been sold out with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Hey guys, we're back, and Quinnie's car's been, I think, it's been about 4 weeks since we put the coilovers in, so they haven't settled as much as we thought they would, which is good because that means they're working properly. I'm just going to bring it down a little bit to make it's looking a bit odd, so that's why we haven't really put a photo of it yet, because it's looked a bit odd. But after this, we'll lower it about 1 centimetre or 2, and it should sit nice, so then you can see it. So here we have the perfect measuring device. 8mm socket. Just quickens up things, you know. You're right. Makes it easy. Then I just do adjusty spanner and do the adjusties. Nice. It's one side done, and we'll just double check measurements. We've adjusted the coilies in the front, sitting a whole lot better now. We might do later in the week is pull a little bit of camber out of it. Just doesn't quite need that much camber. You just fill the guards back out a little bit. And yeah, good times for this car. Thanks for watching this week, guys. We've dropped the Fairlane down. Looks a whole lot nicer. Thanks again for the support. And next week, the Papa Smurf is coming apart. And it's basically all the good things out of it are going into Archer, suspension-wise. So that should be coming soon, and then hopefully starting on my cheeseburger. It needs another engine, so we're going to do that. And NOS, we're going to be getting NOS. So thanks again, guys. We'll catch you soon. Peace out.